Well, good morning, everyone. Here we are. It's our second week of virtual preschool this year. And we're going to start with the days of the week instead of the calendar. All right. I think I got that kind of mixed up from what I normally do. So we're going to do the days of the week first. All right. So let's see here. The last day of school we had was Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and here we are on Monday again. Our second Monday of virtual preschool. All right. And then we're going to come on over and remember our month is called September. So let's count the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and the next one will be 19. 19 was actually on Saturday. So let's see here, let's figure out what picture it will be. School, bus, school, bus, school. So number 19 will be a school. There it is. All right, that was Saturday. So 17, 18, 19, 20. School, bus, school, bus, school, bus. So number 20, which was on Sunday, is a bus. And we need to do one more for today. So 18, 19, 20, 21. Let's see here. School, bus, school, bus, school. So today is the 21st and we have a school. So today is Monday, September 21st, and guess what? It is officially today the last day of summer. Remember how we talked about that even though it seems like it's fall already, it's actually still summer. So today is our last day of fall. Tomorrow, which is a 3's class circle time day, it will be the first day, today's the last day of summer, excuse me. Tomorrow will be the first day of fall, which is pretty exciting. I like fall. I like all the colors on the trees and pumpkins. I don't like the cold weather, but all right, so let's see here. Our new theme this week is my body. So we're going to be talking about our body parts. Like we have a head, we have shoulders, we have elbows, wrists, hands, our torso, our legs, our knees, our feet. That's what we're going to be talking about this week. So I have a book that's all about different people to read today. And I have our little mystery bag, or mystery envelope. So I'm going to pull our book out really slowly. If we were here, I would let you guess what our book is about, but we're not here, so I have to tell you what it is. So this book is called We Are All Alike, We Are All Different. And I will read the words and then I will show you the pictures, all right? So here's the front of the book. We are all alike, we are all different. We kind of have a little bit of a glare going on again today. We are all alike. We are all people. Let's see. If I turn this a little bit, if the glare will be less. No. Okay, well, we'll just do the best we can. We are all different. We do not look the same. We have different color eyes. We have different color hair. Some of us have curly hair. Some of us have straight hair. Some of us wear glasses. We have different color skin. Some of us have darker skin. Some of us have lighter skin. What color are your hair, your skin, your eyes? We are all alike. We all have bodies. It's true, isn't it? We all have a head, arms, legs, fingers, nose, toes. We are all different. Some of us are girls, some of us are boys. Some of us are big, some of us are little. What does your body look like? We are all alike. We all have families. We are all different. Some of us live with moms. Some of us live with dads. Some of us live with moms and dads. Some of us live with grandmoms and granddads. Some of us live with brothers and sisters. Some of us look like our moms and dads. Some of us look different from our moms and dads. What is your family like? We are all alike. We all live somewhere. We are all different. Some of us live in the city. Some of us live in the country. Some of us live in apartments. Some of us live in houses. Some of us live in trailers. Where do you live? We are all alike. We all eat. We are all different. We like different foods. What do you like to eat? What don't you like to eat? We are all alike. We all like to play. We are all different. Some of us like to pretend. Some of us like to climb. Some of us like to read. Some of us like to play ball. What do you like to do? We are all alike. We are all different. We are a family. So this is a picture of a kindergarten class in, let's see here, it's called Cheltenham Elementary School. And I believe that they are the ones who drew the pictures for this book. They were the ones that illustrated it. So that's pretty cool. The kids wrote and illustrated this book. All right, so let's see here. Let's see a couple of the things we have to do this week. This over here. All right, so I'll show you this first. In your little take-home packet, you have, well, there's a couple of these. They're these little tiny papers, and they're paper clipped together. One set, which is these, are body parts. Now, these are labels. You can label the body parts on somebody. So what you need to do is find a volunteer. A volunteer is somebody who says, yes, I will help you, all right? And you're gonna have that volunteer. It could be your mom, dad, brother, sister. It could even be a baby doll, all right? A friend, a cousin, whoever is at your house who can be your volunteer to lay down on the floor. Now, I'm not gonna do that right now because that's too hard with the camera. You won't be able to see me if I lay down on the floor. So you're gonna have your friend or mom or dad or brother or sister, whoever it is, lay on the floor, and you're gonna take your little tiny labels and you're gonna label their body parts. Now these have picture and a word, all right? So this one says head. So you would label, put this by their head, or maybe even on top of their head. They might think that's kind of funny. This one says foot, so you would put that by their foot. Oopsie. This one says finger, so you would put that by your volunteer's finger. This one says elbow, so you would put that by your volunteer's elbow. This one says arm. See, let me show you the difference between elbow and arm. Elbow has a little arrow pointing to the elbow, right? It's the same picture, but it has an arrow pointing to the elbow. The arm doesn't have that arrow. So you would label your volunteer's arm with that. This says belly. So find your volunteer's belly and put that label there. This says leg. So put that by your volunteer's leg. This one says toe. So find their toes, label their toes. And hand. Label your volunteer's hand, okay? So those are all in your packet. The other one is a set of skeleton parts, and we'll do those on our next circle time day probably. All right. Then what you also have in your packet this week is this piece of paper that says people at all ages. All right. And there's a little spot with a baby, there's a spot with a kid, and there's a spot with grown-ups. So what you're going to do is you are going to use some of your mom and dad's old magazines. Make sure to ask them first. Don't just go grab whatever ones you want. See, I have an old one here. It's already been cut up like we do at the preschool. And I actually I think I folded the pages so I could find the pictures. You're going to look through your magazine and you're going to find a picture of a baby, a picture of a kid that's maybe around your age, and a picture of a grown-up. All right, so let me see here. Where is my picture that I marked here? Not there. Let me see here. So I folded the pages so I knew I had the right picture. Aha! So, and then let me see my other ones here a minute, which ones I'm going to do. Okay, so here I have, there's actually a grown-up and a kid in this picture. All right, so I'm going to tear this page out. This is a little trick. Oh, you know what? I did not grab scissors. Just a second, let me grab scissors really quick. All right, I'm back. So I'm going to cut out this little boy. Now, I sent this info to your mom and dad too, but when you hold scissors, and a lot of you already know this, you always put your thumb up, right? You don't hold your scissors like this, right? You don't hold your scissors like this. Hold them like this in one hand, whatever hand is the most comfortable. Thumb up, 2 fingers in the bottom, thumb in the top, all right? Then you're gonna use your helper hand, that's your other hand, to hold your paper. All right, so then I'm gonna cut kind of, you know what, I like these flowers that this little child is holding, so I am gonna cut the flowers out too because I like them. And see how I'm using my helper hand to hold the paper, and I'm going around my little kid right here with my scissors. All right, so there is my kid that I cut out. So this one I'm going to glue in the little kids section here. It says now on it because that's kind of about how old you are now. All right, so I'm gonna stick that right there. There's my kid. All right, now let's see here. Look, I hope I had found a baby. Now I'm thinking maybe I didn't. Might have forgotten to find a baby in here. Let's see, I do have a grown-up. I know that. I think I might have forgotten to find the baby. Let's see if I can find one real quick. Otherwise, I will just not every magazine has every picture that you need. I wish it did. There's another kid. There's a dog. There's some more kids. Nope, you know what? I don't think I have a baby in this picture, in this one. let's see here. So so this is another page that I found, so I'm gonna tear that one out. And I saw a grown-up in this one right here. So I'm gonna hold my scissors thumb up, hold my paper with my helper hand, and I'm gonna cut out this grown-up here. All right. And then I'm going to put some glue on the back. And stick that where it says adult. Adult means the same thing as grown up. So there we have the kid and the adult. And I'm sorry, I completely missed finding a baby. I'm not sure how I forgot that. I don't think there's any in the front here. I'll just check really quick here. I don't think there are any though. So when you look for yours, you will also find a picture of a baby. All right, I just didn't happen to do that. And then also, there says name at the top. So you'll either write your name yourself or have your mom and dad write your name in yellow and you can trace it. Or if you're not ready for that yet, they can write it for you. All right, and add your baby on the top there. All right, so that's another activity that you can do this week. Okay, so that, let's see, I'm looking at my little board there to make sure that I did everything, and I think I did. So that is all I have for you today. So I hope you have a great day and a great week, and I will see some of you at our small group today and some of you on Wednesday. All right, so see you all later. Bye.